guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm displaying the weeds, the Yates weed and feed lawn killer and fertilizer today. I'll just show you the exact how it works and stuff like that. So yeah, this is it. It's a very good product and it is not recommended that you do it dry. You have to make sure that the grass is a little bit more higher and to make sure that it's a little bit wet. So all you do is click it up to your hose like this, and it clicks in, and then you turn the water on, and then you pull that up, and then you start spreading. So I'll just go and turn the water on now. Back again. So all you do is turn this knob on. Pick that up. Like that. Give it a bit of a spread. And away you go. Just a nice even flow like that. It is normally pretty good enough. Give it a bit of a shake. Kills all the weeds, pretty good weed killer, and it's good for fertilising the lawn. It's got about 5 or 6 litres in it, 4 litres sorry, and this will last you quite a long time. This is for Bluetooth lawn, and the other one that I had, Seaside, that is for buffalo lawns in Australia. I'm just giving it a good even flow, like that. And it's pretty easy. You've got to give it a couple of weeks for it to set in, and then cut the grass. And that's it. So when you want to finish and turn it off, you just turn off the water, turn off the tap, and that's all you need to do. So now that I've finished the lawn, turn it off like that, and turn off the tap, and that's it. I'll just turn the water off, and all I need to do now is unclip it like that. A little bit of water falling off and spraying all over the camera, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel on any other home handyman hints or anything like that, please let me know, and just some questions in the comments. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and click. Thank you, you have a good day.